Hello, everyone. Welcome. Tonight, I am going to make another one of my most favorite salads, and that being a Big Mac salad. If you guys have not yet seen that video, I will leave the link in the card above. But you guys, absolutely delicious. So, tonight, I am going to make the salad, but I didn't have any lettuce, so I decided to use this spinach instead. So, if you guys want to learn how to make a Big Mac salad that has all of the ingredients that we have come to love in a Big Mac, absent the bread, then stay with me, you guys, and I am going to put it all together right now. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is putting together that special sauce. And all the ingredients will be on the screen, you guys. Some ketchup, some mustard, and we've got some vinegar, and I am using some pickle juice instead since I don't have any vinegar. Whisk this up, you guys, and then I'm going to add my seasonings. And the seasoning being some garlic powder, and some paprika. Okay, give this a mix. Give it a taste. And then we're going to move on. Delicious, you guys. Okay. So now that this is ready, I'm going to set this aside. And we are going to assemble this salad. All right, it's time to assemble this salad. I've got my fresh leafy greens here. Then I've got some cooked ground turkey. And I am seasoning this with some salt, pepper, some garlic powder, and some paprika. Then some onions, tomato, and I've got some cheese over here. Some pickles. And then some picante sauce. All right. And now that we have all of this together, you guys, I am going to top this with our special sauce that we just made. And there we have it. A Big Mac salad made with spinach. And I'm going to make another one, and this will serve two, one for me and one for hubby. And here we have it, his and hers. So you guys, please do give this recipe a try, and when you do, just let me know just how much you love it. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. Please do press that subscribe button below if you've not yet done so. And remember, you guys, remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50.